7 baking soda cleaning hacks. If there's a magic spell to clean tough stains and grease and make things sparkle, it's baking soda. It's cheap and super effective. There are also so many amazing things you can do with. Here are 7 cleaning hacks where using baking soda will do wonders. Number 1, make your sinks sparkle. A little bit of baking soda and vinegar can make your sinks grease-free and look like new. You can add a bit of soap too, or replace vinegar with lemon juice. Leave it for a few minutes, then scrub it with a sponge and rinse. Voila! All the stains and grease are gone. Number 2, remove shoe odors. Because we usually wear shoes for long hours, the result is they sometimes smell funny. Put some baking soda inside your shoes and leave them for a bit. Your shoes will smell fresh. Number 3, clean creative drawings on the wall. If you have kids, you know how they get creative with the walls, drawing on them with crayons and expressing themselves. Baking soda cleans and removes crayon marks and drawings off perfectly, as if they were never there. Number 4, keep your fridge odor-free. Some stored foods in the fridge have strong smells, and sometimes just leaving food in the fridge makes it smell stuffy. The worst thing is the smell can change the taste of food and drinks you keep in there. Keep a bowl or an open jar of baking soda in the fridge and change it every month to keep the odors away. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as that really helps the growth of our channel. Number 5, unclog the drains. A tablespoon of baking soda poured inside the drain with a bit of vinegar is all you need to do the trick. Unless you have a serious issue that needs a plumber, baking soda and vinegar are perfect. Number 6, clean and freshen your dishwasher. It's normal for your dishwasher to smell a bit off since the door is usually closed, and it can be wet most of the time. Putting some baking soda inside the dishwasher and leaving it overnight, then starting a hot program in the morning while it's empty, will completely remove the smell. Number 7, brighten your laundry. Add a half a cup of baking soda to the washing machine with your laundry. Use your normal detergent, of course, and wash like usual. Your whites and colors will both look brighter. Baking soda is pretty much the solution to most of your cleaning problems. If you haven't tried it before, give it a spin, and you'll never stop using it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video if you found it valuable.